Dear children, today we will see conversion of units. In our last session, I have introduced you the conversion of units. It's very important to understand the relationship between units. And if you learn to draw this chart, you will easily able to do that convergence. So let's start. We are having conversion of units. The larger units I would like to write here. That's kilo, hecto, deca. We are going to write here base units. Then we are having deci, centi and milli. Deci, centi and milli. Friends, we will use the symbol K for kilo, H for hecto, Da for deca and D for deci, C for centi and M for milli. And we are having units. Basic unit, that is meter, gram and liter. These are the base units we are having: meter, gram and liter. So to convert from a higher unit to a lower unit, we need to multiply. Like whenever you are going to come from here, higher unit, and you want to go to the lower units, what we'll do, we'll multiply. To the right hand side, when we are coming, we will multiply according to the number of tens, 100, 1000, depending upon the number of jumps you are going to take. And when you will go from the smaller unit or a lower unit to a higher unit, in this direction you will divide. You are going to divide. Let's see, for example, I want to do convert. For example, like I am having kilometer, hectometer, and I am having decameter, and here I am having basic unit, that is meter, then decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Suppose I want to convert units, like I want to go from hectometer to decameter. Hecto is larger and I am coming to the right hand side, and the number of jump I am going to take, that is only 1 year. So I will just multiply by 10 here. I will do into 10. Suppose from a decameter I want to go to kilometer. From this decameter I want to go to the kilometer. Means I am going to the left hand side, to the from lower to higher. Whenever you are going to convert from a lower unit to higher unit, you will divide. Going to like left hand side, you will divide by the number of jumps. Here I am going to take 1 and 2, that is 2 jumps, so I will just divide by 100. In the same way, suppose I want to go from kilometer to meter. Kilometer to meter I am going, means I am going to the right hand side. When I will go to the right hand side, I will multiply higher to lower. Remember in mind, higher to lower, you need to multiply. So we'll multiply from higher. I want to go to lower, depending upon the number of jumps. Here I am going to take 1, 2 and 3. That's I will multiply by 1000. And the reverse, suppose I want to go from this meter and I want to go to this kilometer. So 1, 2 and 3 jumps I will like to take. So I will divide it by 1000. In this way we will go. In the same way, suppose I want to go from meter to decimeter. This meter to decimeter I want to convert. So I am going to the right hand side, just one step. So what I will do, I will do into 10. In the same way, I want to go from decimeter to centimeter. Again I will do into 10. From centimeter to millimeter, I will go again into 10. Like this I will go for it. And you can come reverse also. From millimeter to centimeter, if you want to come, you just divide by 10. From centimeter to decimeter, if you want to come, you will just again do divide by 10. Suppose I want to come from millimeter to this meter. I am coming from lower unit to a higher unit, so I will divide. And going to the left hand side means divide by the number of jumps 1, 2 and 3. That's I'll do divide by 1000. So in this way you can take the convergence depending upon the number of jumps you are going to take, and just mentally keep in mind that in which direction you are going, right or left. From the higher to the lower units you are coming means multiply. To the right hand side, multiplication. And when you will go from right hand side to the left hand side means to the lower unit to the higher units, you will divide. So by just keeping in mind kilo, hecto, deca, these are the larger one units. And these deci, centi, milli, these are the smaller units or lower units you can call. Don't get confused between deca and deci. For deca we'll go for a DA, and for a deci we'll go for just D. And these are the basic. And here I have shown you about the meter. You can same go for the gram and liters also. Let's see some example. Suppose you want to convert 1.25 decagram to centigram. Here decagram is larger than the deci. Just again keep in mind, you will go like, you can draw here also. Kilo, hecto, deca. Here you will write the base units. Main units you will write here. And we are having deci, centi and milli. In order to go to the larger to smaller, will multiply. And whenever you want to come from here to this division, will perform division. So I want to come from decagram to centigram. 1.25 decagram to centigram. Here decagram to centigram I am having 1, 2 and 3. 3 jumps I need to take, and I am coming to the right hand side means I'll multiply. So simple, you have to write 1.25 into 1000. That answer is there in centigram now. And we know that already in decimal multiplication I have told you that if you are going to multiply with 10, 100, 1000, just take this decimal point and shift to the right hand side according to the number of 0. 1, 2 means here, that is 125, 1250 centigram will come the answer. Next I am having 2.9 meter to millimeter. So what I will do, 2.9, I am having here unit meter. I want to go to the millimeter, means again 3 jumps I need to take. For the 3 jumps to the right hand side means I will go for the multiplication. So again you can take this out, decimal point shift here, 1 again, means 2900 millimeter, means that is 2900 millimeter. Then you are having 5 kilometer, you want to convert to meter. Kilometer to meter you want to go. So kilometer to meter means you need to convert to higher unit to lower unit. Whenever you are going to convert higher to lower unit, what you will do, again you will multiply by 1000. It's 1, 2, 3 jumps you are going to take. So you will get 5000 meter. Now I am having next 185.4 decaliter to kiloliter. Means you are going from the smaller to the larger unit. Smaller to the larger unit means you will divide 185.4. How many you are going to take a jumps here? 1 and 2. Just 2 jumps. Means you will divide it by 100. And in the division we are also having these 2 zeros. If you want to remove, means what you will do, you will take this decimal point to this side. Here it will 1 and 2, means 1.854, that's kiloliter. Then you are having here 5 kilometer 25 meter to this meter, means first of all this will convert. 5 kilometer is nothing but the 5000 meter plus this 25. So what you will get, 5025 meter. So in this way you can go for the different examples and you can try also, but remember you need to go for this units conversion, and very important to understand the relationship between these unit. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.